Hi guys, thanks for joining me today as we listen to the sounds in words and try and decide where a certain sound is. It might be at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word. Okay? The first sound we're listening for is the N sound. N. And our first word is can. So I'm going to say the sounds and I want you to try and figure out, do you hear N at the beginning, the middle, or the end of the word? K, a, N. K, a, N. Where do you hear that N sound? K, a, N. Let's check. Here we go. K, a, N. Oh, it's at the end of the word can. Now, our next word is vine. We're still listening for the N sound in vine. So let me say the sounds for you. V, I, N. V, I, N. Where do you hear the N sound? V, I, N. Let's check. V, I, N. Right, at the end of the word. And now we have a net. Here we go. N, e, t. N, e, t. Listen for the N sound. Here we go. N, e, t. Where do you hear it? Let's check. N, et. Right here. It's at the beginning of the word net. Okay, let's go ahead and change letters now. Let's do the G sound. G, 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 G. And here we go. Where do you hear G in gate? Here we go. G, a, t. G, a, t. We're listening for G. G, a, t. Let's check. G, 8. G. It starts at the beginning of the word gate. Now we have hug. G. 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 Where do you hear G? Let's check. G. Right there at the end of the word hug. And now we have a goat. A goat. So here we go. G, O, T. G, O, T. G, O, T. Where do you hear that G? Here we go. G. Oat. Goat starts with G, G, G. Okay, let's change sounds and let's do And so our first one is going to be cut. Okay, listen for the sound. K, t. K, t. One more time. K, t. Let's check and see where it is. K, t. That time it was right in the middle of the word. Cut. Now we have run. Here we go. N. Remember, we're listening for the sound. N. One more time. N. Can you tell where it is? Let's do it up on the board. N. It was right in the middle of the word again. And now we have a nut. This is a walnut, but we're just going to say nut. Okay, here we go. N, a, t. N, a, t. Where do you hear a? N, a, t. Let's check. N, a, t. Right in the middle again. Okay, so let's go ahead and change letters now. I think this will be our last letter. Let's do B. Little crooked, that's okay. B, B. And we'll start with, ooh, that looks fun, bike. Okay, here we go. Listen for B. B, I, k. B, I, k. One more time. B, I, k. Where's the B sound? B, I, k. Right at the beginning. Bike starts with B. Now we have a bell. Here we go. Ba, e, ol. Ba, e, ol. One more time. Ba, e, ol. Where do you hear the B sound? Ba, e, ol. Bell starts with B. And this is our last picture for today. It's a web. Okay, listen for the B sound. Wa, e, b. Wa, e, b. Wa, e, b. Where do you hear the B sound? Here we go. Wa, e, b. That word stops with B. Okay, I hope you feel like you're doing good with this. I think you are.